processes on a system are not responding? Which state could indicate that a lock request is no completing? Option A, HIB. Option B, LEF. Option C, PFW. Option D, LCKW. Option E, REWAST. The correct answer is option B. By default, extended file cache is configured to use a maximum of how much system memory? Option A, 10%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 50%. Option D, 75%. The correct answer is option C. The show system command displays a majority of the user processes in a susp state. What is the most likely cause? Option A, a faulty device is causing multiple interrupts. Option B, the system disk is in a shadow copy state. Option C, the disk holding the audit journal file is full. Option D, the system is in a cluster state transition. The correct answer is option C. After upgrading their cluster from OpenVMS V to V, a customer experiences occasional user complaints about cluster performance. Many entries are now appearing in the operator.log file about lost connections. For example, node SID, XID, lost connection to node SID. Which system parameter should be increased to address these complaints? Option A, significant. Option B, credit_weight. Option C, significant. Option D, cluster_credits. The correct answer is option D.